Septic tank access should always allow clear, direct room for pump out and maintenance without obstruction. For house construction, a practical thumb rule is to provide 3 to 6 feet of unobstructed clearance around the septic tank access riser and related components so service crews can safely set equipment and remove lids. Place the riser directly above the inspection port or tank lid and extend it to within a few inches of the finished grade so technicians do not have to dig. Use a removable service hatch that is load rated if it might receive occasional light traffic, but do not permanently pave over the access point without an integrated service cover. Mark the access location on the property plan and on a visible, durable tag near the house so future owners and contractors can find it quickly. Route a clear, straight path from the driveway or street to the riser that avoids steep slopes and low spots to allow hose reels and portable pumps to reach the tank. When landscaping, keep deep-rooted plants and trees at least 10 feet away from the tank and drain field to prevent root intrusion and avoid compacting soil directly over the tank with heavy equipment. The most common mistakes are paving directly over the access or installing an access cover that is buried and hard to remove, which prevents timely pump out and adds excavation cost. Resolve this by installing an above-ground riser and a visible, removable service hatch. Another issue is placing plantings or putting structures too close to the tank, which can cause root damage or restrict service access. Keep a clear planting-free zone and note setbacks on the property map. A third is failing to document or label the access location, so new owners, maintenance crews, or emergency workers cannot find it quickly. Put a durable marker on the house plan, a weatherproof tag at a visible site, and maintain a clear path from the driveway. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to septic maintenance and construction. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share practical tips, ask questions, and post photos about access solutions and best practices.